Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield, Wyckoff SMI.com, LearnCrypto.io. You can tell I'm fighting a head cold, so bear with me, but I wanted to do my usual weekend review for March 30th. So in front of us is the Wyckoff wave. You can see here that we rallied back last week as expected. I'll show that more so in the SPY chart. But we came up here and I think we are putting in a downtrend line. Technometers didn't get overbought here, but we had a 50% rally back and met resistance there Tuesday, Wednesday. Wyckoff Wave new index, same type of thing, rallied up to that white resistance line, turned back lower. Growth index rallied back to what was the ice for a last point of supply. You can see Technometer did get overbought right when we was up there at resistance, and probably more importantly, the SPY. I talked about there, we could have a rally back to 575, which would be a rally back to what was previous support, now turning into resistance. We went to 576. I did in my free area of the stock Discord, which you can join at WyckoffSMI.com, the pro traders. There is a free version, but I mentioned in there the stopping here and being overbought was not good and could be trouble for the bulls. And we immediately turned lower. I think the best case we can get now is maybe put in a secondary low here, or maybe a B wave if you talk about Elliott wave, and then maybe come back up to 580 again, which would just be a more important last point of supply. So that definitely could be in the cards. A lot of technometers are 42, 43, so maybe get a bounce early in the week and see if we can try the upside one more time. TLT, I mentioned being short there, shown by the red arrow. Same thing on Wednesday. I mentioned since stocks could turn lower, I thought TLT could turn higher. We was down here near oversold at 39 and change, 38.96 to be exact. And we did rally strongly Friday. So I'm looking for further rally to push shorts out again on the TLT. Not much to add on XLE. That has been an area of outperformance that I've mentioned. And looking for a good buy setup when I turn more bullish on the general market. Gold and silver, I think they put in probably a fifth wave. Again, if you do any Elliott wave theory, you can see here that as we're rallying in this possible fifth wave, volume is not coming in. It cannot even go to new highs, so that looks bearish from our Wyckoff indicators. So I do think a important top is being made here on the metals. We could come back down here and visit this 240. 230 level again. So if you are long metals, you could think about taking some profits here and looking to buy back cheaper. Again, do your own research. This is not individual investment advice. If we go the dollar, I've been short this one for months. I still think we're headed lower. So for now, I am staying short. We could mouse around here for a while. We did have a pretty good sell-off from 110 down to 103. So a little sideways here wouldn't hurt. But I still think the dollar's headed lower. Bitcoin 82.6. We had a buyback there a few weeks back at 83.1. Haven't done much since then. I really thought we was going to have some type of rally to the 95 area again. But we have followed stocks lower. So if stocks can put in a secondary low, Bitcoin could do the same. Then maybe, again, try that 90 to 95,000 level, which would probably be a sell. So I'm looking for that. BNB is a position that we've had. I wanted to rally up to 680, and we did not get that. Back here really at our entry level, so nothing to brag about there. Want to trade these positions because I think Bitcoin, it really is just probably a trading vehicle now. I'm not thinking that we're going to explode higher currently. And Solana, same type of thing. We're long that from higher levels and not acting well. I still thought we could try to put a rally together, so we'll watch that. So in general, maybe stocks can put in a low this week. Same with crypto, and let's see if we can have another rally that probably needs to be sold or sold short. Have a great week trading.